Great Islam to all of you guys.
Walaikum assalam.
Starting in the most precious and almighty name of Almighty Allah, who is the most Rahman Rahim. So today my golden caption, which is simply like that, ambitious less. Yeah, of course, today in Pakistan you will find many people ambitious less. Because you will find many persons who are ambitious less, who don't have any ambitions, who don't have any career, but to just eat the money of Pakistan, and that's their highs, and that they will full. And the people, as you are seeing, they shouldn't be as a highly seat who are still yet ambitious. They have taken many education, they have taken many knowledge, they have also given many paper, they have scored many things, but still yet when they come over here, they become ambitious. The simply thing when we learn from somewhere, and after when we go outside, when we forget that thing, when we forget that place, when we forget who was the real moral, who was the beginning point of my story, and where did my story even started, and where did it end, and where did I become most victorious, and they forget that place, and that time they become ambitious. And the simply thing today in our country, the many people who are seated highly, but they shouldn't be seated highly, because they are the ones who are totally ambitious, but their ambition is just to eat the money, and to eat all the money they could eat from the Pakistan, the black money they could eat from the Pakistan, and they are leaving every person ambitious. Not only them they are leaving ambitious, but they are also in the Pakistan many unemployment is spreaded all the place. That's why not only they are making them ambitious, but they are also making the country nation ambitious. That's why when those types of persons are highly seated, so what can we expect that we will get highly employment? We are not getting these types of highly employment. We are getting today the Pakistani nations are also becoming ambitious. They are going on the road, they are doing protests, they are doing procession, but at the end they are coming empty handed. So the simply thing is this thing, when you want to when you have a real succeed, when you have real power to endorse the country, when you have real power to endorse and replace the person that make yourself highly seated, so yes, of course you can, but never leave yourself ambitious, because the day you become ambitious, the day you forget the beginning point, and the day you will also forget that what was my last point and what the victories I got, that will be finished like burning fire. It will burn like burning fire. That's it.
First ball.
Okay, Miss, as much you are saying that many people have ambitiousness in our country, but we see many of the people they have ambitious, but they don't get this ambition, because in our country there are there is a lot of corruption. There is a lot of work for the sources. If you have a source, you can get success. If you have a source, you have money, then you can get success. There is a lot of the corruption in our country. The one who deserve the success, they don't get the success, because our country full of corruption. Our leaders they are full corrupted. They just want money. From where they go money? They don't give the success to the deserved one. They don't give the success whom they deserve. They don't give. But if you give money to them, they give you a very very good success. If we are taking the example of our board, that in the Karachi board, in Sindh board, what they are doing, they are just taking money, and they give you a highly grade. They don't give you. They don't give the highly grade to the deserved one. They give you the highly grade for the one who fulfill them their pocket. So how we can get our ambition if we have ambition, but there is no source to get our ambition? How can we get our ambition? Miss, I really appreciate your positivity, but it's no use of it. Really, it's no use of it. And the second thing, are you making me understand, or are you asking something? Because I'm getting so confused in this, that are you making me understand about the board, about the country, about the unemployment, or are you asking something? By the way, as you are saying that how we can get, how the person who is the desired one, he is not getting his desire fulfilled. So if in that case, if he's not getting the desire, so am I singing something different? Am I speaking in a language that you cannot understand? Because I'm saying the same thing, that if ambitious less people are surrounded by in our country is fulfilled by those type of people who are eating the black money. So what can you expect? Can you expect something that that they will give you a highly education, they will give you highly succeed. No, you cannot find these people everywhere. But the day you find it, why don't you appreciate those types of people when you find them? Why are you worried about those people who are ambitious? Because I have to define that you don't. So why are you as much worried about those people who are ambitious? You are not ambitious, and that's enough for you because you have a goal, you have a purpose to achieve that. That's it.
Okay, Miss, as you are saying that if you have ambitious, you have a goal, so you can achieve that. Why you are worrying about the people who have ambitious? So it's the thing that why we are becoming a meaningful. We all need that we can get our benefit. We can get our need. We don't need that other can also get the need. It's the thinking of our people. That's why we are not getting development because we are just thinking about us. We are just thinking about ourselves. That if we have a goal, if we have a need, so we can fulfill our need. We will fulfill our goal. We don't think that if we are getting something good from somewhere, so we are also aware the people about that thing that they are also getting good. If we have some ambition from somewhere, someone who gave us ambition, someone who gave us the path to go for our goal, so we can also aware the people about that person that who can also they are also getting path. They are also getting motivation. They are also getting the way that how to go, how to fulfill our goals. We are not thinking because of you type of people, the country will not develop because you are thinking about your goal, about yourself, about your me. You are not thinking about the people that other people also get benefit from where you are getting benefit.
Miss, really? Is that your question? Thinking? No, not at all. Thinking doesn't matter. Of course, you can also think. I can also think. The whole world can think about someone really precious. Whole world can think, but they will never act. As you are doing the same thing, you are thinking, but you are never acting. And as you are saying, we don't spread the awareness of we don't spread the awareness of where we have started our journey. So, Miss, I'm saying the same that if you are as much worried about the nation, so you should aware them. You should first of all take that step and aware those people that we should also see how much you are a justified person, how much you are a clarified person, that in your satisfaction nobody can be wrong. In your satisfaction, in your surrounding, no people is there like that he is unaware. Every people in your society might be knowing that this is the place, and might be all those crowds sitting over there as bunch. That there will also be some 50 or I think so 25 people would be coming from your society because you are a very justified person and you are justice. You are justice liker. That's why you are an aware person. And second thing, as you are saying that we should aware the nation. We should aware the nation. Of course, this is right. We should aware the nation. And if you are really worried about that nation, so go gather them and then bring over here and then justify them and then take some time and also say to them that where blah 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 can do. Why don't your success and why don't your appearance show them brightly that now you're playing over here? Why don't your appearance is as much bright that all the nation could come over here running because they also have the bright mentalities as you. Now your appearance will be as much strong. So they will always see. They will first of all they will see you in the videos and they will come running towards this coaching. That's it.